Okay, so went to Telus, follow up, um, and told him exactly what happened. Sitting on the couch yesterday, opened up this, and I heard crackle, crackle, crackle. And just like in my last video, showed them this, and they agreed. Yeah, it looks like it's just the protective screen. I mentioned that apparently if I tried taking it off and screw it up, it voids my warranty. Asked them to do it, they wouldn't touch it, so they wanted me to send it off to Samsung. But I thought, personally, I didn't want to go without having a phone, so I just didn't want to go through that hassle. I get back in the car, I go like this, and turn it off, and as you can see here, I just put my finger in there slightly, and it already started peeling up. So I was thinking, well, if it's coming off that easy. So I just took the case off, but I figured it looks like it's actually getting worse now. It looks like it's peeling up even more up here. The bubble's still there, this bubble's still there. But anyway, so I was in the car, and I just slightly, without too much effort really, stuck my fingernail under this, and look at that. It comes up real easy. Just like that. So I'm like, oh, oh shit. This comes off real easy, as a matter of fact. It's really tacky on the back. But yeah, just like I suspected. That comes off real easy. This is actually pretty effortless. I'm barely pulling on this. Barely. Look at, I'll stick it to my finger and it's coming off. Look. Okay, so that came off really easy. And this is the factory installed screen protector. So I guess I can do one of these, because I won't need that anymore. Let's fire the sucker up. So now it's totally bare. I have nothing on the front, nothing on the back screen or the inside screen, which is fine. I'm honestly not that worried about the outside because I usually have that case on there. And the inside screen is still pristine. No issues. Yep. Outside's fine. Inside is fine. That's my flight from my drone in the background. Yep, everything's good. Turn the screen off. No issues. So, I guess I'm going to see if I'm going to put a screen protector on this thing or not. I don't know. Honestly, I don't, because the screen feels really good on the fingers. But I guess I'll wait and see. Yeah, everything is fantastic on this screen. It's a little bit of adhesive there. Oh, it's gone. Nice and shiny. Fantastic. All right, that's the end of the video.